Alright guys, so we got our Eventuri M2 comp intake. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh man, I just cut the box. So we got the Eventuri goodness. So if you guys can see, it's nice blocks. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. It's not as well packaged as I thought it would be, but it's still well packaged. So it looks like everything's individually labeled. Oh, this is a nice intake. Wow, this filter is... Wow, this looks very high quality. It definitely looks like it's worth the money. Double-sided carbon, so the inside is exposed carbon as well. Outside is carbon with, looks like a lot of clear coat. So you got the Eventuri and then our serial number on it. So let me put this one down. Here's the other cone. Man, this is a beautiful intake. Definitely the nicest intake I've ever seen. The carbon is great. Oh, he even has the Eventuri on the inside here. Can you see that? Nice. Oh, this carbon is just beautiful everywhere. Nice. Here's the heat shield. Very nice. Oh, you can see the carbon. It's nice and lightweight. Feels like very good quality. The clear is very nice. No flaws in the carbon whatsoever. You got all the clamps, just ordinary heavy-duty clamps. Then we have another piece right here. Nice. And the last piece. This is a beautiful system, guys. I'm excited for this to be installed. This is definitely worth the money. At first I was kind of skeptical about how expensive it is, but it's definitely worth it, especially when it's installed in the engine bay. It's gonna be beautiful.